In this video, I'll be reviewing general liability insurance. So let's get started. Now first, we're going to be looking at what is a general liability insurance. So general liability insurance, also known as business liability insurance, is a policy designed to protect businesses from financial losses due to claims of bodily injury, property damage, personal injury, and advertising injury. It serves as a fundamental layer of protection for businesses of all sizes, safeguarding against lawsuits, medical expenses, and legal fees resulting from accident or negligence. So now we're gonna go ahead and look at the key features of GLI. Okay, so the first key feature that we have is bodily injury coverage. So bodily injury coverage. So it covers medical expenses, legal fees, and damages if a customer, client, or third party suffers an injury on your business premises or due to your operations. For example, a customer slips and falls into your store and breaks their arm. GLI covers their medical bills and any potential lawsuit. Then we have property damage coverage. So, property damage coverage. So it protects against claims for damage your business causes to someone else's property. For example, a contractor accidentally damages a client's expensive flooring while working on a home renovation. GLI covers repair or replacement costs. Then we have personal and advertising injury coverage. So personal and advertising injury coverage. So it covers claims of defamation, copyright infringements, and false advertising. For example, your business inadvertently uses copyright images in an ad campaign. GLI helps with legal defense and settlements. Then we have legal defense and settlements. Legal defense and settlements. So it pays for attorneys, court fees, and settlements if your business is sued for covered claims, and some policies may cover court-ordered judgments up to policy limits. Then we have medical payment coverage. So medical payment coverage. So it covers minor medical expenses for injuries that occur on a business premises, regardless of fault. For example, a visitor trips over an uneven carpet and sprains their ankle. GLI can cover their initial medical treatment. So alright guys, that is it for the key features. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at the pros. So, pros. Alright, perfect. So the first pro that we have is financial protection from lawsuits. Financial protection from lawsuits. So a single lawsuit can be financially devastating, with legal costs, settlements, and potential damages reaching tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. So without insurance, a business owner would have to pay these expenses out of pocket, which could lead to severe financial strain or even bankruptcy. General liability insurance acts as a financial safety net, ensuring that businesses can handle legal claims without jeopardizing their operations. Then we have credibility and trust. Credibility and trust. So many clients, vendors, and landlords require businesses to carry general liability insurance before engaging in contracts or leasing space. Having GLI demonstrates professionalism and responsibility, reassuring partners that the business is prepared for unforeseen incidents. This is especially important for freelancers and contractors who need to prove they have adequate coverage to secure jobs. Then we have coverage for a wide range of risks. Coverage for a wide range of risks. So, general liability insurance is broad in scope, covering various types of claims, including bodily injury, property damage, personal injury, and advertising injury. This means businesses are protected from multiple potential threats without needing separate policies for each type of liability, whether it's a slip and fall accident, a lawsuit for defamation, or accidental damage to a client's property. GLI ensures comprehensive protection. Then we have affordable compared to legal costs. So affordable compared to legal costs. So the cost of general liability insurance is relatively low compared to the potential expenses of a lawsuit. A small business can typically secure coverage for a few $100s per year, whereas a single lawsuit could cost tens of thousands of dollars in legal fees, settlements, and damages. The affordability of GLI makes it a smart investment for businesses looking to mitigate financial risk. Then we have peace of mind for business owners. So peace of mind. So, running a business comes with inherent risks, and worrying about potential lawsuits can be very stressful. GLI provides peace of mind by ensuring that should an accident or legal claim arise, the financial burden will not fall solely on the business. This allows business owners to focus on growth and operations without constant concern over potential liabilities. And lastly, we have help small businesses stay afloat. So, helps small businesses stay afloat. So, for small businesses and startups, an unexpected lawsuit can be financially crippling. Many small businesses do not have the resources to fight lengthy legal battles or pay hefty settlements. Having GLI in places can ensure that a single unfortunate incident does not lead to financial ruin, allowing small businesses to continue operations with confidence. So, alright, guys, that is it for the pros. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at the cons. So the first con that we have is it does not cover employee injury. So doesn't cover employee injury. So while GLI protects against third-party claims, it does not extend to employees who get injured on the job. Businesses need workers' compensation insurance to cover medical expenses and lost wages for employees injured while working. Without this additional coverage, businesses remain vulnerable to costly employee injury claims. Then we have limited product liability coverage. So limited product liability coverage. So businesses that manufacture, distribute, or sell products face risks if their products cause harm to consumers. GLI offers only limited protection for product-related claims. Product liability insurance is necessary to provide full coverage for businesses in these industries, ensuring protection against product defects, malfunctions, and recalls. Then we have no coverage for business-owned property damage. So no coverage for business owned property damage. Business owned property damage. So while GLI covers damage your business causes to other people's property, it does not protect your own business assets. If your office, inventory, or equipment is damaged due to fire, theft, or natural disasters, you will need commercial property insurance to cover these losses. Without it, replacing or repairing valuable assets would come out of pocket. Then we have exclusions and policy limits can leave gaps. So exclusions and policy limits could leave gaps. So General liability insurance comes with exclusions and policy limits, meaning it will not cover all types of claims. For example, it may not cover intentional acts, contractual liabilities, or data breaches. Businesses must carefully review their policies to ensure they understand the coverage limitations and consider additional policies like cyber liability insurance for protection against digital threats. So, alright, guys, that'll be it on the review on general liability insurance. And I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.